Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to check mentions on Instagram. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. And let's get started. So first we need to go to Instagram. After that go to our profile and click on this little icon. And here, when people tag you in photos and videos, they will appear here. And that's all. This is very easy way. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later and write good comments. Bye bye.